Hi guys, I'm Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and this is my YouTube channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good. Today, once again, welcome aboard Just going to get ready to go on the
Hotel reviews and droning, that's something that I really enjoy. And you can find a lot of videos on my channel, but do you know what my real passion is? It's to travel with TheBeast. So this is it, what MartinTheVlogger YouTube channel is about. If you like what you have seen, hit the subscribe button and have a closer look on the different playlists. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook as MartinTheVlogger. I'm always uploading there what currently I'm working on or when I'm traveling. Thank you very much for watching. And most importantly, remember, always have fun.